Hey guys, let's start off this football season with a Philly cheesesteak. Stay tuned for all the details on this delicious sandwich.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, fellow journeymen and apprentices. Today we're coming at you with something special. Today is week 1 of football season, and every Sunday we're going to be bringing you a recipe. That's right, Philly cheesesteaks. Now, I'm personally not a Philly fan, sorry, but things will do for views. So, if you guys remember, we did a tomahawk ribeye a little while ago, and we saved that meat because it was a monstrous ribeye. We were about 4.5 pounds, and I told my wife, I said, you know what? We're going to use that leftover ribeye for the Philly cheesesteak. And that's what we're doing today. So we're going to take this ribeye, we're going to separate some of this chunky fat here, and we're going to shave this very thinly. And then we're going to chop it. And we put this in the freezer for about 2 hours, 2.5 maybe, just so it could shave a little bit easier. In case you're wondering, like I said, we did do this on the tomahawk ribeye cook on the video. You guys can go back and find that video. This thing was phenomenal, and I have no doubt that it's going to make delicious cheesesteaks today. Alright guys, so here we go. We have our onion, we have our jalapeno, we got our ribeye nice and chopped up. Just a quick recap, we're going with French bread. I could not find hoagie buns, but this is going to work just fine. You just want something that'll hold up to the juice and stuff of this beef. And we have our provolone. So let's go ahead and get this onion sliced and diced. Now we have our onion chopped up. About a 3-to-1 ratio there. We're going to take our jalapeno. Now, if you don't like jalapenos, I would not recommend this. But I like a little bit of spice on mine. We're going to go ahead and take this jalapeno. We're going to devein this. All right. We have everything prepped. We have our flat top outside preheated. So let's get out there and let's get this going. All right guys, so here we are. We're at our flat top. We have this preheated. We're at a medium heat. I have a little bit of beef tallow here that I'm going to use just as a nice lubricant to keep the veggies and the beef from sticking. So let's go ahead and get this on. Smear this around. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get these onions and jalapeno sauteed. Alright guys, now we have our onions and our jalapeno pepper sauteed. We're going to go ahead and put this ribeye on. This is going to make 2 nice sandwiches. They'll definitely feed probably 2 really hungry people or 4 people if you have some sides to go with it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this bread cut down the middle, get it prepped, because we're going to make this happen real fast, because there's one really key step that makes your Philly cheesesteak taste even better than everyone else's. I'll show you my little trick. We're going to come right down the middle of this. Open that up a little. Again. I'm not cutting all the way through because I want this to open up. But I don't want to separate it. And we are going to add one more simple little ingredient. We're going to take our kosher salt. We're not going to use a bunch. In my opinion, not a bunch. That might be a bunch for some, but we're not going to use all that. But we're going to sprinkle some of that on top. Our veggies, we don't want to miss those. What we're doing here is just getting these ingredients mixed in together real nicely. Chopping them. We're going to cut it right in half right here. We have 2 sandwiches, right? Take this pile here. Set it up like that. Put this pile here. One sandwich is a little bit bigger. We're going to rob a little bit of meat from that one. We're going to take our provolone cheese. And I'll lay this to it. I like mine extra cheesy. So now we have our cheese getting melted on there. We're going to take our bread. Bring this in, get them close to each other here. Get that on here like so. Put that right inside that bread. Look at that. Just like that. Now you can't tell me that this is not a winner. We're going to set this to the side after I smash this down a little bit because we do not want that stuff to fall out of it. And this is the little trick right here. You don't want to miss this little trick, because that's going to make this bread real nice and soft. Go ahead and get it in here. Yep. What's going to happen is the heat from all that meat and veggies are going to soften that bread up. Which is already pretty soft bread, but you want that nice, soft, pillowy. And in we go. My goodness. Look at that. You know it's going to be good when the cheese is doing that. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at this. We want all that ooey gooey in there. Don't want to waste any of this. Alright, so we're going to let these rest for about 5 minutes. And we're going to pull these off, take them inside. We're going to give these a slice. And we're going to tell you if it's a no or a go. Hey, welcome back, guys. Here we go. So we got this Philly cheesesteak. It's been sitting in the foil for about 5 or 10 minutes. We're going to wrap it now. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and get this slice right down the middle. That bread is super soft right now. Love that. Look at that cheese. We'll open it up real quick for you. Looks pretty good. All right, here we go. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. That's for sure winner, guys. Hey, don't forget, guys, if you like what you saw, tune in, like and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and enjoy your football Sunday. Until next time, we'll see you at the pit.